Hello guys, I'm here to explain about alias code and gamma code. Alias coding is a coding method used in information theory and data compression. Alias code created by Peter Elias. This technique aims to reduce the number of bits used to store numbers that appear repeatedly with high frequency. In other words, alias coding is used to encode non-negative integers into a more efficient bit sequence. The alias coding method uses a variant of gamma coding to encode binary numbers. Gamma coding itself is a technique used to convert positive integers into a more efficient binary code form. Number 1. Alias coding process. First, convert number to binary. Second, determine the length of the binary number. Third, divide the binary number into two parts. The first part to encode the bit length, and the second part to indicate the actual value of the number itself. In this way, alias coding helps reduce the number of bits needed to represent numbers that repeat or have certain patterns. This data compression technique that is useful in situations where numbers are repeated or have frequent patterns, as it can reduce the size of the data stored or transmitted. However, it is important to note that although these are efficient compression techniques for certain types of data, each compression technique has certain trade-offs and is not always suitable for all types of data or certain use. Alias coding is typically used in applications where data compression and efficient representation of integer number. Some of the common use of alias coding include: first, data compression; second, data storage and delivery system; third, compression in data processing algorithms; and the fourth, variant number representation. And the second part is gamma coding process. The first, convert non-negative integers into binary representation. Third, determine the length of the binary representation. The third, create the unary code that length, which is a binary regression of the number of bit -1 followed by a 0 bit. Gamma coding is used to encode integers with efficiency, especially if there are many small numbers, because small number will have shorter representation in gamma coding. This technique can be used in data compression or data storage that requires the representation integers with a smaller number of bits. Gamma coding is often used in data compression and efficient number representation, and some common applications of gamma coding include: first, data compression; second, encoding in communication protocols; third, database and storage system; and the fourth, compression in data processing algorithm. The third is delta coding. Delta coding is a data compression technique that aims reduce data size by representing data values as the difference between consecutive values. This method relies on the fact that in many cases, success values in the data often have relative small change between them.
Now we can start examine the alias coding. The first we will examine about the encoding process. We will start from the gamma, because in delta the process of gamma will also be used. First of all, we must know the value of n. The n is the data that we want to encode. Let's take the example, the n is equal to the 11. Then we convert the binary of n, let's say b11. That means binary of 11 is equal to 1, 0, 1, and 1. Let's save this value first, because the binary value of 11, let's say binary value of 11, we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, that have a 4 bit. Now what we want is the binary number 11, it minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So with this, finally we write the 3 0. Now we have two value here, 3 0 and 1 0 1 1. Now we can determine the alias gamma code is 0 0 0 1 0 1 and 1. This is the alias gamma encoding. Now we move on the alias delta. While in delta, if we, let's say we have the n is also 11, so we have the binary number of 11 is 1 0 and 1 1. But in the delta we need to remove the MSB, most significant bit value. That was the first bit in our binary. That means the binary is 0 1 and 1. Let's save this value first. Now in delta we know that the digit number of binary 11 is 4. So in delta we need to find the gamma coding of B4. That was like in this process we know the digit of the binary of 4 is 1 0 and 0, and we need to know how much the digit is. 3 digit, the minus 1, 3 digit minus 1, it means 2 digit. It's equal to 0 0. So we get the gamma code. Gamma of 4 is equal to 0 0, and this one and this the binary of 4 1 0 0. Let's set this value. This value we will write at the left side, the first one 0 0 1 0 and 0. Now we can write the value that we save first is 0 1 and 1. That was the delta encoding.
So now we gonna decode the alias gamma and alias delta. So for the first one, the alias gamma, the way we decode this alias gamma is kinda easy, because we just need to, the first step we just need to count the 0 bit until it meets the bit 1. So in this data, in this example data, there is 1 2 3 3 0 data, 3 0 bit until it means bit 1. So because the 0 bit is 3, we just need to after that we just need to add this number by 1, so it becomes 4. So this number of 4 is the number of bit that we have to check. So there is 4 bit, so we need to check the 4 bit. So there is 1 2 3 and 4. So there is 4 bit. So this 1 0 1 and 1. So this binary code, we just need to convert it to the decimal value, and this decimal value of this binary code is equal to 11. So for this example of the alias gamma, the decode of this data is equal to 11. So that is for the alias gamma. And then we move on to the alias delta. For the alias delta is kind of same to the alias gamma. The first one, we just need to count the number of the 0 bit until it meet 1, until it meet bit 1. So there is 1 and 2 0 bit, so there is 2 0 bit. And then same as before, we just need to add this number by 1, so it becomes 3. And this number 3 is the number of bit that we have to check. So there is 3 bit that we have to check. So there is 1 2 and 3. So there is 1 0 0. So this 1 0 0 binary code, we need to convert it to the decimal value. So this binary code is equal to 4 in decimal value. So in the previously we add the number by 1, but in here we minus 1. We subtract this number with 1, so it becomes 3. So this number of 3 is same as before. As this 3, we need to check the 3 bit of the next digit. So there is 3 bits, so we need to check the 3 bits. So there is 1, 2, and 3. So the binary is 0, 1, 1. So this binary code, we just need to add by the MSB, or most significant bit. So most significant bit is 1, so we just need to edit the MSB in here. So it become 1, 0, 1, and 1. So we convert it to the decimal value, and it become 11. So the decoding of this data in alias delta is equal to 11.
And that's the explanation about alias code and gamma code. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.